RBS Basic Research Academy welcomes to all of you in the video lecture number 23, part 2. In this, I'm going to discuss about the product indicator approach in the moderation analysis. So I will do all these things practically in this video. And before this one, I would like to suggest you that please watch the video lecture number 23, part 1, where I have discussed some of the theoretical concepts of the product indicator approach. So it would be better for you to watch that one and then you can watch here. So dear friends, now formally I'm going to start to do the the product indicator approach in the Smart PLS. But before this one, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Raimbat Sumro and I'm from Shabbat University, Pakistan. You're looking here, this is my study page which was awarded to me from the Smart PLS Academy, where I completed my online course. In so many videos, I'm using only this model. So here I would like to check the impact of loyalty, quality, and satisfaction on behavioral intention. So some logic is there. That means a behavioral intention, always there is an impact of the loyalty, quality, satisfaction. So it is good to check all these ones. So here, before applying the moderation, I want to check its means algorithm. I want to check some results of this one. So I'm applying the algorithm and start calculations, and then the results of algorithm are before me. So here we have to check its construct validity, reliability, discriminability, all these things. Some of the issues are here, there. Okay, it's not a problem because we are doing this one for practical purpose, for understanding. But when you start to work on your formally on your research paper, on the thesis, then you must be careful about these ones. For example, loyalty chromo alpha is less than 0.7. So you should try to increase it, or you should try to all the values which are in convert all the red into the green. That would be better for you. Okay. So now for the moderation, then impact, all the impact are significant as well as the effect are positive on the dependent variable. So R square, our dependent variable is 0.647. So alternate we can also call is an excluded R square. Why? I will reply you after the certain time. Okay. So now if we go back again, okay. So now all these are the, so these are the path coefficients. Okay. So either these are positive. Okay. So now we are introducing our moderator. It's very easy, no problem introducing. Just select this one and click right button and then come here, add moderating variable. Just click it. So here the window will appear. So these are details regarding all these options. In your free time, you can go through all these details. But here, dependent variable is our behavior intention. Like see here, dependent variable is a behavior intention. And then we have to insert the moderator. So moderator is our quality, and the independent variable is our loyalty. Then we have to follow product indicator approach. So these three approaches are there, but here we are only focusing on the product indicator approach, and it is better to choose product from generation unstandardized. Okay, press OK, and then the model has been created. So now this is a moderator. Then you are looking at its color has been changed. So just to differentiate this moderator from the rest of the variable, its color has been changed. You can change its color. Then if you go here, so from here, you can change its color according to your own choice. Okay, otherwise the by default is okay. Now we have to rename it. Rename how? Just click it and rename. And then we have to work quality into loyalty. So quality is our moderator and loyalty is our focus or focal independent variable. Just click it, the term has been changed. Now we have to apply PLS, now bootstrapping to see either the effect. Okay, so okay, but before this one, we have to apply PLS algorithm. Yes, you're right. So here, then again, so here the results are there. So now these are the results. So earlier R square was our 0.46, and now this R square is a 0.496. Now this we call is included. Why? Because a new moderator has been included in this one. So that's why somewhat the R square has been increased. Okay, so that's why earlier it was excluded. At that time there was no moderator, but now Now moderator has been included. That's why we are right included R square. Okay, so now here I would like to do the product indicator approach. So basically, I told you that the indicators of each variable, moderator and independent variable are have been multiplied with each other. And then there are so many indicators are there. To point out all these one, what select it and right click here and then show indicator of selected construct. You will see so many items are here. So all are at the quality 3 with the layout loyalty 1. So now this static shows the multiplication. So if you want to disappear all of these one because unnecessarily they are occupying this space, then select it and then go again hide indicators. Indicators will be hidden. Okay, now no more indicators. Okay. So now we want to check the effect size. Either the effect of this one is what it is that's a small, large, or much larger. Okay, so how to check the effect size? Very simple. We have to go back to, we have to open another uh, Excel tool over here. Okay, so this Excel tool here. Yes, this is the Excel tool. So in this Excel tool, already I have inserted the excluded variable earlier 0.46 and then we included where the new R square when the moderator variable was included. Now its value is a 0.496. So now its effect is a small. Why small? Because there is a benchmark. If your effect size value is now is the 0.05, it is less than the 0.02 small, higher than up to the 0.15 medium and up to 3.35 higher than that it's a large. So now hence we can say the effect size is small because there was a very little difference between the R square included and R square excluded. So thereby there is a effect is a very small. So by the way, this tool statistical tool for this one I have provided you a link from where you can download this statistical tool from that link. Now we are going back on our Smart PLS. After doing this one, we are going to check its impact. Okay, so take now for this purpose, what we have to do that we have to go to calculate and then click bootstrapping to check either relationship are significant or not significant. So now detail is available in this one. All these one options have been discussed in this one. Alternatively, in my different videos, I discussed much about this one. So it is better to keep always 5,000 here to get a substantial results. But the problem here, I'm choosing 500 because the video is very short, so I cannot afford 5,000. It will take so much time. So that's why 500 samples, sub-sample is enough for me right now. But if you want to have a very good results, then 500, instead of 500, you should use the 5,000 as a sub-sample. Okay, now I'm utilizing 500. I have left one link from where you can use the data which I utilized here. So same data you can work on, you can apply the 5,000 samples and you will see such a dramatic different results here. Okay, so now the rest of things should remain same and just start calculation. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So till that time we have to wait. That's fine. Our results have been generated. And now here, so these are the path coefficients. Then we have to check which one is significant and which one is not significant. So the good thing is that all our paths are significant because all these p values are less than 0.05 and its color is a green. So that's good thing. So first of all, we want to check the moderator, the impact of the moderator, quality into loyalty. It depends. So it's a significant, but its impact is a negative. Okay, because it was expected, because before applying this bootstrapping, already there was a negative impact of the moderator on behavior intention. So now one more thing which you should keep in your mind that our independent variable is loyalty. So now at least it is always good that at least there should be the significant relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. So here loyalty and loyalty is an independent variable and the behavior intention is a dependent. So now there's a simple relationship. If this exists, then it is good to apply the moderation. Otherwise, it's not a good thing. Okay. So now here, if we come here, that there's a negative relationship between this one. So what it shows? It shows that quality is mediating relationship between the intention and the loyalty. It's a mediator is mediating because the reason is that this reason is a significance. It's a significant. That's why it is mediating the between the independent variable loyalty and independent variable behavior intention. Okay. And another thing is the quality is the damping or decreasing the relationship between the behavior intention and loyalty because there is a negative relationship. Okay, so that's why. So probably there may be so many reasons you have to justify your reason in your research why the motor quality is playing or damping or reducing the relationship between the quality, between the loyalty and the behavior intention. Probably there is a poor quality or cheap quality of the product which people are using. That's why their behavior intention have come down. So this may be the reason, but okay, in this way we can we can interpret the results of the moderation. So now two things have been established. One here, first one, that the quality is playing as a role of moderator, and another with the quality is damping the relationship between the independent variable and dependent variable. Okay, now it is always good to produce the slope if there is a significant relationship of the moderator, or the moderator is a significant, it is always good to produce a slope. How to produce a slope? That's again very easy. Just go into the calculate and PLS algorithm, and then everything is okay. Just start calculations. Calculation have been completed, and now our slope is ready. We can check our slope. Just come down here. And here, this one, this is our slope, and just click it, the slope will appear. Now, this is the one slope where you're looking at the behavior intention is your dependent variable, and your loyalty is independent variable, and their operator is the relationship of the interaction of the quality and loyalty. In this way, you can carry out this one into, you can interpret, and then you can from here, copy to clipboard. If you click it, it will be copied, and anywhere you want to paste it. And if you want to increase its width and height, again, you can do it. Otherwise, if you want to save it with the default setting, then it's okay. Okay. Now, for some people, it's somewhat difficult to understand. Alternatively, another tool is Excel tool is there. So we are applying that Excel tool. Okay. So dear friends, this Excel tool is available before you. In this Excel tool has been developed by the James Gaskin, and that's why what simply we have to do that you have to change this menu. So name of the variable name of the independent variable loyalty, okay, name of the moderator quality. So these names may be different when you work on your actual thesis, okay, and then independent path of the independent variable. Yeah, the path coefficient of independent variable and the path coefficient of moderator and interaction. You can provide all the values, and then you can interpret this one. So now this is for only, this tool is for, this calculation algorithm behind this one is only for the continuous moderator. But if you have the categorical moderator, quality moderator, now for this one, another tool is available. So now so these tools are available at this one. So now this you can also download from this website also. Okay. So in this way, you can prepare this one, and then you can, this one you can also copy and paste in your thesis. Okay, now we are going back to our Smart PLS. So here we are at our Smart PLS results. So last but not the least, very important thing is about how to report our results. So that's quite easy. Again, I'm showing you one of the sample paper which can guide you how to report the results of your moderation. Okay, let's open that one. Guide us how to report our results. Although it's not necessarily compulsory for you to follow this one, you can follow any other one. What I thought, okay, it's a good for your understanding. So now that's why I have brought this one. Now this paper is a moderating role of perceived benefit on the relationship between the attitude and actual purchase. Okay, so we are coming down up to ours. Okay, so here, dear friends, you are looking that this is the perceived benefit. So this is our moderator. Okay, and this is the hypothesis number 8. which plays its role between the attitude and the actual purchase, which moderates the relationship between the attitude and the actual purchase. Okay, and after that one, what is doing? If we come down, that here it's written that the Smart PLS 3, the MISA software has been used in this one. So these are results of the measurement model, and these are results of the structural model. In the structural model, basically, the hypotheses have been analyzed. So now, so many hypotheses are there, but we are interested only in the last hypothesis, that's about the, lastly, the perceived benefit. Okay, now this is a path analysis. Path coefficient negative 0.061 in t value 2.03, and significant is the value is lower than 0.05. Now, if the t value is higher than 1.69, 1.96, it is always that your p value is your value is less than 0.05. But this value is only for when you are going to analyze on the probability value of the 95% only. So now it's written that the moderates the relationship between the attitude and actual purchase. In this way, you can report the results of your moderation. And another thing is about the okay. Important thing is that now here this is the path. This is supported. Although there is a negative relationship, but it shows that it's supported. Okay, and then again, this is the value minus 0.06. In this way, you can report. Okay, we discuss about the effect size. So now effect size, so these are the values, 3 values, which I showed you in the Excel template. This was the formula on which that was in the Excel format, there was Mr. Mayer, R square included minus R square excluded, and 1 over the 1 minus R square. This was the formula to calculate the effect size. Okay, and one more thing, that if we come down, then so thus the effect size for actual purchase intention are considered small. Okay, in this way you can report your in the testing moderating effect. Now this is the we can say that the slope analysis. This is the slope where the actual purchase and your like the independent variable all are there, and this in this way you can report. In this way you can keep your slope which was developed in the Excel, and you can keep here, and you can report it. Like, for example, hypothesis is predicted that the perceived benefit will moderate the relationship between the attitude and actual purchase from this one. So in this way you can report the results of your moderation analysis. Okay, friend. So at the end of this video, I hope you like this video, and again, I request you, please take care of yourself and take care of this channel by subscribing it, by suggesting to others to watch all these videos. Thank you very much for watching this video completely, and very soon we will meet another video.